Welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through a quick and simple guide on how to find the Other Messages section on the LinkedIn app for PC after the new update. If you've been noticing changes in the layout and can't seem to locate all your conversations, don't worry. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go and how to manage your messages without missing anything important. LinkedIn recently made some adjustments to how messages are organized. Instead of keeping everything in one place, they now separate your inbox into two categories: the main message section and the other section. The main section is where you'll find the conversations that LinkedIn considers most relevant, like people you've interacted with before or connections you engage with regularly. The other tab, on the other hand, is where the platform filters less urgent or secondary messages. These could be networking requests, promotional notes, or messages from people outside your immediate circle that LinkedIn thinks don't need to appear front and center. Now, let's go through the steps to find this section on your PC app. First, open your LinkedIn app on your desktop. Once it loads, look at the menu on the top of the screen. There, you'll see the messaging icon. Click on it, and your inbox will appear. You'll notice the standard messaging window opening up with your main conversations. But here's the part that many people overlook. Inside this window, you'll see two sections at the top: the Default Messages tab and the Other tab. To view your hidden or filtered conversations, simply click on Other. Once you do, you'll instantly see all the messages that LinkedIn has organized into that category. These are conversations you wouldn't have noticed otherwise, so it's always a good idea to check them every so often. You might find collaboration opportunities, important networking messages, or even direct job offers tucked into this section. That's it. Just 3 easy steps. Open the app, click on the messaging icon, and then select the Other tab. Thanks for watching.